All right, it's Friday afternoon. Getting this thing loaded up in the little blue S10. We're gonna take it to Rockies tomorrow. Put it in the Pantina. Got everything loaded up. Gonna straighten up in the garage some and get this thing out of the weather. What are we doing, Rocky?
This is motor swap Saturday.
Okay.
Hello.
So we're swapping the motor into that and maybe that. We'll see how it works out. We'll try to make this thing fire at least.
Yeah.
At least this fire.
I think this can fire today. No problem.
No problemo.
This ain't sketchy at all.
Professional.
What you working on? Ooh.
Is it gonna stay?
I don't know.
We probably should have put the transmission in park since we just got the tail housing laying back there.
It'll be fine.
Okay, I'll just hold it.
I got a hand on it too.
Okay.
What am I supposed to do?
Pull down on this arm here. Right here. You want to go one hole or are we going to do all the holes?
Well, I can't reach all the holes.
I mean, we can.
It would tip it so much further. There we go.
You want to measure your...
Nah, we'll worry about that. We'll worry about that once we get the motor in a safer position.
I mean, the chains on the net can only fall so far.
Yeah, that's true.
I mean, the earth is always there.
Yeah, but do you shine in your...
All right, the motor's in, the hood's on. We're ready to race next weekend.
What? Running next weekend.
Yeah, maybe running.
on me.
Yeah,
Quit on me.
Yeah, it's hot. Rocky quit on me too because it's hot.
Yeah, like the underside of Satan's balls out here.
But yeah, we got the old Pantina put together. We're one step closer.